If you are wanting to kind of like keep the momentum going and you want to guarantee sales for your next event, the best way to do that is to sell tickets while attendees are still at this event. This is one that I see people forget all the time. And the reason this works so well is one, your attendees are already emotionally engaged and they're riding the high of the event. Two, they're already invested in their transformation and they most likely don't want to lose the momentum. And then three, you can always offer exclusive early bird discounts that they won't get any later, right? So we had just done a 2-day event for somebody this was actually her fulfillment event. So it wasn't even enrolling people into her program. These people are already a part of her membership, but they were coming together for the first time in person. And it was around painting, right? So they were already learning how to paint. They were doing it in their membership, but they came in person, sold out 250 some odd tickets at that event. I can't tell you how many people were asking us, I want my ticket. How do I buy my ticket? When's the next event? I don't want to lose this momentum. This was so fantastic. How do I make sure I get locked in? Because I know this event sold out super fast and I don't want to be in a situation where I don't get a ticket next time. That's what you want. So sell your tickets at the event for the next year. Even if you don't have the dates, even if you don't have the venue locked in, cool. Say in August of next year, and then you can give them more details. So you end up doing this on the final day of your event, announce the special offer for the next event. And then you can just have a simple sign up form ready to go while all of their excitement is still super high.